cornbread and Thanksgiving. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making one of my favorite Thanksgiving side dishes and adding tons of flavor to cornbread and baking our Southern cornbread dressing. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut smoked or andouille sausage into cubes. Chop onion, and minced celery. Slice green onion, minced garlic, and gather Italian seasoning. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out the GBH YouTube channel for other holiday side recipes. Also, subscribe and click on notifications so you know when we release new videos. Over medium heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Place cube sausage into the skillet. Saute until brown, about 4 minutes. Add butter, onions, and celery. Stir and cook about 5 minutes. Stir in green onion, garlic, and Italian seasoning. Cook 1 minute. Remove from heat and cool. What is your favorite Thanksgiving Day side dish? Leave your response in the comment section below the video. When I bake cornbread to make dressing, I like it browned on the outside and golden on the inside. Crumble cornbread into a large bowl. Gather Creole seasoning, salt, pepper, celery seeds, and 1 chicken bouillon cube. Add dried spices to the cornbread. Crumble chicken bouillon cube into the cornbread too. Fully combine. Add in cooled sausage and seasoning. Combine. Remove skin from and shred rotisserie chicken. Add chicken to the cornbread mixture and combine. Pour in chicken broth. Combine one final time. Spray baking dish with nonstick spray. Spoon cornbread mixture into baking dish. Bake 40 to 50 minutes or until the top is golden brown. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, you can help our channel grow. Subscribe below the video. Remove from oven and place on a wire rack. Serve while hot. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.